Organizations today have to build great applications to stay competitive. Customers demand engaging user experiences, consistency across multiple interfaces, and, most importantly, security for their sensitive data. An in-memory, distributed database, data grids, enable organizations to meet these tough requirements while providing fast, reliable, secure access to frequently used data. Red Hat JBoss Data Grid offers robust security features and flexible configuration options for your sensitive data, including authentication, encryption, authorization, and central identity management. JBoss Data Grid supports many approaches for authenticating users and encrypting traffic, allowing you to customize your approach for your organization's security needs. Authentication verifies users' identities, while encryption protects sensitive data. Some authentication options included are credentials, such as username and password, and LDAP. Encryption options include credentials and data, credentials, clear text, and more. For an example of clear text authentication, here a user's identity is verified, but both credentials and data are transmitted in clear text. This approach is commonly used when your network is already secure. When your data is not sensitive, but integrity is important, you can encrypt users' credentials, but choose to send all other data as clear text. Encrypting credentials with JBoss Data Grid only adds roughly 150 bytes of extra data per communication. If client-server communications are over an unsecured network or data is sensitive, JBoss Data Grid allows you to encrypt both credentials and data. JBoss Data Grid's authentication and encryption functionality extends beyond users and applications accessing data. You can also configure JBoss Data Grid to secure all communication between nodes and to require new nodes to authenticate before joining a secure cluster. JBoss Data Grid's authorization feature ensures that users are restricted to performing only permissible actions, such as read, write, listen, and admin. With JBoss Data Grid, you can specify permissions for each individual user. And through role-based access control, you're able to map permissions to roles that can be assigned to users, making it faster and easier to grant permissions. With reader authorization, users can view data but are not able to modify it. With writer authorization, users can both view and modify data. The audit log shows the history of user actions and whether those actions have been allowed or denied. JBoss Data Grid supports central identity management, which allows you to manage large numbers of users and passwords from a convenient, centralized location. JBoss Data Grid also supports LDAP, the leading directory protocol. Examples of LDAP-based services include Red Hat IDM, Microsoft Active Directory, and OpenLDAP. Data security is more important than ever, but you don't need to compromise between application performance and keeping your data safe. Red Hat JBoss Data Grid can serve up data at in-memory speeds, easily scale out to accommodate massive data volumes, and provide the robust security features needed to meet modern-day challenges. Learn more. Contact us today.